Alright, so I'm going to be putting a cabinet in this area right here. Before I get started, I'm going to do some measurements. Obviously, we want to know how far the cabinet is going to go right to left, and we're going to take out the base mooring. And then on the right side, I'm going to take the base mooring out completely and just reinsert it once everything in the cabinet is fully installed. Alright, so I've already taken out the right side. Just use the razor blade to cut the top cocking line along right there in the corner, and then in the corner where the door molding is. Now I've measured from the right side of the wall to right here and marked it with a straight line. We're going to use offsetting tool, which I just bought. I've never used before. Interested to see how it works. But we're going to cut that section out, and then we'll be able to place the cabinet in here flush. All right. All right. Pretty neat. Alright, we'll get all this cleaned up and come back. Make sure you got shims. Alright, there you have it. So we didn't need to use any shims to level out the cabinet. But if you needed to, you could stick some shims underneath it. You know, if you need to bring the right side up, the left side up, the back side. But you want it pretty even as far as front to back, left to right. But after it is level though, you want to put a couple screws into the studs, and I even put one on the right side as well. But yeah, I'm going to finish up with a piece of molding that I've already cut. I'm going to cut a notch out of the top so it'll fit. I'm just going to use a nail gun. Put a couple nails in there. And we'll caulk the top and the bottom and call it a day. That's it. If you like it, subscribe.